Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over some basic information about stocks, what they are, how to buy them, how to kind of get started. So if you find value in this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure and subscribe to the channel. So other than that, let's go ahead and hop right into it. So stocks, what are they? Stock of a corporation are all the shares into which ownership of the corporation is divided. So basically, this company can issue a certain amount of shares to the general public. General public can go and then invest money into that company and become partial owners of that company. It's a very, very small ownership, but it's something. When you buy the stock, it could either go up or it can go down in value, depending on basically just how the company is performing, and other factors will determine if that stock's going to go up and down. Just keep in mind that stocks are going to fluctuate. Nothing ever just goes straight up. Nothing ever just really goes straight down forever. So here's how it works. Let's say Billy Bob hypothetically has a $500 savings account, and it's been sitting in his savings account for months, not earning any interest, and he wants to try to increase that account balance. So he does some research on this company and finds out that company A is trading at $5 per share. So Billy Bob decides he's going to open up an investing account through a brokerage firm such as TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Webull, something like that. And he transfers that $500 into his brokerage account. Well, to find out how much shares of that company he can buy, he's going to take the amount that he's investing, which is $500, and divide it by the current share price of that company. So he'd do 500 divided by 5, and that'll give him 100, meaning if he does that, he'll own 100 shares of company A. Let's say in a month or 2 months down the road, company A, the stock has steadily been increasing, and it gets to $10 per share. Well, then Billy Bob can make a decision to sell those 100 shares, collect $1,000, and he'd have $500 in profit. So now that he has that $1,000, he can make a decision. He could maybe take that $1,000 and run and never invest again. Or if he says, man, this is kind of cool, I want to see if I can do this again, he can maybe target now anywhere from 2 to 4 companies and invest anywhere from $250, maybe $500 into a specific company and try to make some gains on those companies as well and continue to grow his portfolio. Just keep in mind that it's not going to happen overnight. It does take some time and some patience. So make sure that you know that going in if you are going to start investing in the market. It's also important to know that you can lose money, so it's important to manage risk, but also keep in mind that you never actually fully earn money or lose money until you sell that particular stock. It's also important that you do your own research on whatever stock that you're investing in. You can literally type in any publicly traded company and find information about it on YouTube, on Google. So if I walk into a store and I see how busy they are and I'm like, wow, I wonder if I can buy stock in this company, I can type literally company A stock, and if it's available, it'll come up for me to start researching. Social media, guys, I use social media to get leads on stocks all the time. I follow these guys on Twitter, and they talk about their ticker symbols that they're investing in, and from there I'll take a list of ticker symbols that they talk about and I'll start diving into them and doing my own research before I invest in anything. YouTube, if there's a specific company that you really are interested in, you can go to YouTube, type that stock in, and most likely there's somebody that's already broken it down, done the technical analysis, the due diligence for you. But I still wouldn't just blindly follow someone on YouTube just because they're telling you to. You want to make sure that you fully understand that company, you understand the financials, you understand the history of the company, where they're going in the future, what type of catalyst they have coming up. It's a lot of research before just blindly following and investing in a stock. Yahoo Finance, guys, that'll have some information on all of the publicly traded companies, including the balance sheet. So it's important to learn how to read a balance sheet, which we'll make videos on that as well. And then any of your trading forms that you use to invest, they'll have PR that comes out on the stock. They'll have a lot of information on each of those ticker symbols that they offer for you to buy from their platform. It's very important to manage your risk whenever you're investing. So you want to make sure, first of all, that you have goals and your own set of rules that you're going to follow. I personally, I use other people's rules and kind of tweak them for myself. So I researched Warren Buffett, looked at his rules on investing, and I just kind of tweaked it to, some different verbiage and different rules that I may have for myself. So there's really no need to reinvent the wheel if you don't have to, but you can also make it your own if you wish. Like I mentioned earlier, do your own research on a stock if you get a lead. Educate yourself on how to use your trading indicators for short-term positions. We'll make videos on that. Learn how to use your trading platform to perform the buy-sell orders, stop losses, things like that. It might be a good idea if you're really, really new and you don't have a lot of money to invest, or you're nervous about putting any money into the market because you're just, kind of ignorant to the whole situation. Start off with a paper trading account. It's basically like you're playing with Monopoly money. That way, if you lose money, you're not really personally affecting your bank account. And if you start earning money, you'll kind of build your confidence before you actually put money into the market. And make sure that you have clear entry points and exit points for your positions prior to buying in, guys. So our example earlier, Billy Bob, he bought that company A 100 shares at $5 a share. Well, if prior to buying in, you want to make sure that like, okay, if it hits $10, I'm out. I'm taking the emotions out the door, not worried about it. My whole goal is to make $500. That way, if you put $500 in and all of a sudden it shoots up to $10, then you're not flustered saying, do I sell, do I hold, and miss out on the potential to lock in profits whenever it could easily just shoot straight back down. So just make sure that you have clear entry points, clear exit points before you buy into any stock. Your taxes, if you make profits on selling your stocks, okay, your capital gains, just make sure that you're aware that you might have to pay some taxes at the end of the year. Rule of thumb is if I cash out on any stock, then if I have any gains on them, I'll try to keep about 30% to the side in case I have to pay taxes on it. You could also file for losses on any money that you lose for stocks up to a certain amount. And your trading platform is going to provide the documents that you need to file your taxes. So basically, if you file your own taxes, then your brokerage platform such as Webull, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, they should provide those forms for you that you can enter in yourself, or if you have a tax professional, you can download those forms, email it to that person, or print them out and turn them in, whatever. But each of these brokerage platforms will have a tax section for you. So now what do? Well, if you find value in this video, if you think you want to learn more with us, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We're going to have more informational videos that go more in depth of what we're talking about here. We're going to give examples of when to buy into a stock, when to sell into a stock, how to use some of these indicators that I mentioned in the video. If you want to learn something that you didn't see in this video, if you have questions on a specific topic, please leave a comment below, whether it be about stocks, trading, any type of financial information that I can help on. Please leave a comment below and we can make a video on that, or share some type of information with you. If you have a friend, maybe you and your friend have been talking about investing and getting more serious about your personal financial situation, then talk to that friend, share our video and our channel with them, and use them as kind of an accountability partner. Check in with each other daily and weekly on your goals, and start learning and growing together, guys. It's really useful to have someone who's trying to reach the same goal as you, in your corner that you can keep along with. So I have a buddy of mine, we talk just about every day about our positions in the stock market. We talk about our personal goals, our financial goals, and it's just a way to motivate you and keep you accountable. So other than that, guys, I hope this helped, and we'll see you in the next video.